Me and my friend Nate decided to get 200 chicken nuggets from Burger King and see which one of us could eat the most nuggets in under 12 minutes. The punishment of this challenge is actually going to be determined by the Burger King employee.
How far will y'all go?
Currently calling Burger King.
Burger King, may I help you?
So me and my friend, we want to know if we can get 200 chicken nuggets.
200 chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
Are y'all joking with me?
No.
What y'all gonna do with the chicken nuggets?
We're gonna see who can eat the most.
You gonna feed them to a mouse?
we're gonna see who can eat the most.
How much is the chicken nuggets? $149? So you about to give me $298?
No. 20 10 pieces.
Well, why you say 200?
Cause that totals up to 200 chicken nuggets.
No, it doesn't. 20 10 pieces? 20 10 pieces. This is crazy. Okay.
After Nate finished the phone call with Burger King to make sure that it was okay for us to get the nuggets, we then made our way over.
The destination is on your right. Burger King.
We're here.
Welcome to Burger King. What can I get for you today?
Yeah, we're here for the 20 10-piece nuggets.
You said 20 10-piece nuggets?
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
After that, Coley.
Sweet.
Hey, we have a very important question for you.
Yeah.
So, we're seeing who can eat the most nuggets out of these nuggets. What do you think the loser who doesn't eat as many as the other person should do?
Me and my friends, we pour stuff in a cup and drink it. Like,
Just random crap.
random, like ketchup, pickle juice.
So the winner has to get a mixture of whatever they want, and the loser can't see what they put in it, right?
Yeah.
I like it.
That's a lot of nuggets, too.
That is
Yeah,
a lot of
that
nuggets.
is a
We're gonna
lot of
close up
nuggets.
on that. Who do you think's gonna win, him or me?
Who do you think's gonna win? Make your prediction.
I'll say you.
Me? Oh, yes, sir. Let's go. All right, guys, we got the nuggets. We'll see you when we get back to the house. We have 200 nuggets, which just fell off my plate. We're gonna see who can eat the most nuggets. We have our timer. On your mark, get set, go.
Oh man, this is gonna be tough. So what are some goals for 2021, Zach?
2021.
Yep.
Hopefully not get fat from eating all these nuggets.
Huh. Too late for that. My jaw hurts so bad already.
I don't see how like Matt Stoney and people like do this. It's so dry. It's like getting stuck in my throat.
Matt Stoney, if you see this, leave a like.
All right, guys, we're 7 minutes in. As you can see, the piles look pretty much even.
For the most part, I have a little bit on the table.
We got we don't have much longer left. Our stomachs aren't doing too
You
good.
better keep eating, boy. I'm gonna beat you. This is a punishment in itself, reminding you this. So whenever we do that punishment, it's gonna be bad. How many nuggets do you think you've eaten?
Too many. At least 30.
At least 30?
At least 30.
I don't know, man.
What about you? How many do you think you've eaten?
I have no clue, bro. I lost count at 6.
I don't know why I'm eating this with buffalo sauce. It's just making my stomach feel bad.
That's why I'm going with barbecue, bro. Can't go wrong with barbecue.
Two minutes left.
Victory! Yeah! He forfeit! Wait, does that count as forfeit? You got 30 seconds left!
That doesn't count as a fourth.
You got 30 seconds left. 20.
I didn't throw up.
I was about to.
If you throw up, you instantly lose.
I didn't. I coughed.
10 seconds. Oh. Sound good. Time. In the comments down below, who do you think won before we start counting?
All right, it's been 12 minutes. I almost threw it, but I didn't. So I did not get disqualified. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna count the nuggets, and whoever has the least amount of nuggets wins.
How many did you have?
69.
I had 68.
No way.
You want to do a recount?
You had 68?
You want to do a recount?
Yeah. $69.
68.
Well, I lost by one. I would have just ate one more nugget.
We would have been tied and we would have both had to do it. Well, it's time to mix up this concoction. Come along with me, guys. So, Zach lost. It's time to get his punishment. I think he deserves a little fancy glass. We're gonna throw a little bit of paprika. Add a little water in there. Just a tad. Some ketchup. Oh yeah. Chocolate syrup. Oh yeah. Radish juice. Oh yeah, baby. What else did we add? Mountain Dew. Let's add some sugar. Some apple cider vinegar to finish it off. Oh, that smells so good. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, Zach! We're now outside. I'm waiting for Zach to come out here. I think he's coming right now. I got his drink ready for him. This is gonna be so good. All right, Zach. Dinner is served.
What is this? Bro. Is that pepper? Bro, I'm gonna throw up. Guys, please subscribe. What if I just poured on my head?
No, dude, take you a sip. Come on. How are you feeling?
Delicious. Guys, this was probably the most dumbest idea ever. Please, if you have any ideas on videos we should do, drop them in the comments so we don't have to keep doing stuff like this. Subscribe, because if you subscribe, it'll make me happy. We'll see you next time.